name's Laurence. This is my 1992 Nissan Silvia PS13. I picked this car up about 5 years ago after a drunken Irish wedding. I saw it at the side of the road, a rare sight on our roads. My wife said, go find out who owns it, and I got back in the car, told her I just bought that car. So I drove it as a daily driver for about 2 years, 2.5 years, but ever since I was about 12 years old, I always wanted it to be a certain car that I used to drive in Gran Turismo 2 on the PlayStation 2. Always wanted a two-tone, always wanted the gold and silver dished wheels, and always wanted around 300 horsepower. It's been off the road for about 2 years. Over the last couple of years, I've been building up all the parts, everything I needed, and I brought it here to Stone Motorsport. And today is D-Day. I'm taking it home, taking it for my first drive. So the car was originally a non-turbo and black. So the guys here at Stone did a full nut and bolt restoration on it. Everything on the interior stayed. The interior is pretty good, but everything inside the engine bay, inside the boot, every single thing that you can take off it came off it. All the subframes were all redone. Obviously changed the wheels as well, and a nice Garrett 2871R, Nismo 550 injectors, all the usuals, 32 AFM. So it's a red top non-BBT with an Apexi Power FC. So yeah, and some nice little shiny bits along the way as well. So let's hope it goes as good as it looks.